1971 Alfa Romeo GTV 1750. This car has been pampered and maintained by a dedicated Alfisti for over 20 years. It presents beautifully in all regards and is fairly considered a 9 out of 10 points example. Attentive service history and documented maintenance since 2014. Fully sorted, performance and handling display the legendary rightness for which the GTV 1750 is known. In person, this GTV makes a very positive impression and passes the most rigorous inspection. The metallic silver paint finish is lustrous and smooth. Overall appearance is remarkable and the car appears far younger than 52 years. In particular, the grille, bumpers, and tail appear as virtually new. This GTV rolls on the classic Portal steel wheels with original hubcaps. A quadrifoglio badge adorns the seat pillar, and chrome bullet racing rear view mirrors are fitted to each door. The overall look is perfectly on point for a 1971 GTV, one of the most attractive color schemes and faithful to the original design. It is a stunning motorcar. This is an impressive restoration of a very well cared for GTV 1750, with inspection and service of all vital mechanical and electrical systems as needed. A rare and special example of one of the most desirable Alfa Romeo models, pampered by the previous owner and ready to delight a new one. This Alfa Romeo GTV 1750 is offered at $79,500 plus taxes and fees.